Hey everyone, Technoventure here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find recently downloaded apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. I'm going to show you two different ways you can check this. First way is if you downloaded an app and you're not seeing it on your home screen, just keep on going and scrolling till you hit the last page, which is App Library. And there's a folder called Recently Added. If you tap anywhere, it's going to show you your most recently downloaded install apps that are on your phone. So you can see right here, these are the ones I recently downloaded and install, just like that. Now, if you have a specific app that you remember, you can also search here the app library if it's not on recently added. Now, what you can do is if you ever wanted to add it to your main screen, if it's not here, you can just simply drag and then move it over. It'll let you basically drag and add it to your screen. Now, another way to check this also is in your app store. You can also go to your profile and then click on purchase history. And then here it's going to show you based on a filter. So by default, it might say paid. So I need to change this, tap on that and click on costs to include free as well. Hit OK. In the last 90 days, it'll show me all my recent downloaded installed app on this device, even if you deleted them. Will show up on this history. So that's how you check. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.